Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am calling African Union and I'm calling all Nigerians, not the Fulani or the not Nigerians. I'm not proud to call myself a Nigeria. I'm a Biafra and I will remain a Biafra. I'm a Biafra man. I hate the Northerners and I'm calling the world to put eyes in Buhari's government. It's not Buhari. This imposter they put on us there. The world, the UN, American government to see that this government is a terrorist government. How can you see a killer, a killers, a group of people, terrorists, Al Qaeda, all this Northerner, Boko Haram, ICC, you capture them, they surrender, you integrate them in the system, you put them in army, and you are talking about to pardon them, a killer. You remember what the Putin, the president of Russia, said? Only the person who can forgive a terrorist is God. His job to send him to God. What the meaning of that? That word is parable. That means sending a terrorist to God is killing him. Because of they are not protesting to give them their own. They are just killing, maiming even if they are their mothers and their sisters in the northern. The northern women, northern children is in IGP camp. But there is no war in Nigeria, but the people is in the refugee camp. And those people who cause those things, who make those women widows, orphan, widows, buried women, those kind of group, those terrorists, Boko Haram people who can open, slice a pregnant woman's stomach and bring out the baby and kill the baby, and you are pardoning them. Those kind of group, and you are giving them job, and you are putting them in army, and you are putting them in the police, and you will send those people to east and the west to come and police us. I am calling the world. Nigeria is turning to Somalia. Nigeria is turning to like Yemen. Nigeria is turning like Afghanistan. American government should come. The world should come and divide that country. Let the North be with them, be their self, live with their terrorists. Divide this country. This country is not working out. That center is not working out. The world, unless you people want to keep in eyes and see that watching when another civil war will cause in Nigeria, will start in Nigeria. We are calling UN, we are calling the world to come and intervene. And let everybody sit down and ask, do you want to still be a Nigerian? We don't want to be a Nigeria. We don't want to be in one country with this different culture, they are killers. It doesn't mean that we can't join them to be a killer. We are calling to the world to hear our voice. They are pushing people to the wall. In their own state, their people cannot go to farm. And it's coming down to our own side. We are calling American government to put, and this is religious war. They are killing Christians. Christians is killing in the north. And they are shifting to come, they are killing Christians in the middle belt, middle belt. Killing people, killing Christians in Benue, killing in Biafra land and in the Yoruba land. Let all of us, Biafra, Yoruba, Oduduwa, let us join together and fight these Fulanis, these Boko Harams. We will resist them. We are going to fight the Nigerian army. And I'm calling all the Yoruba youth or Yoruba children in Nigerian army to resign And I'm calling all the Biafran youth in Nigerian army to resign. War is about to break out in Nigeria. If you say there is no war, but the people are dying thousands every week, every day, every day. You can't drive in Nigerian road. You can't drive. People is afraid to leave because of these terrorists are coming. And I'm urging all the Biafran youth to start warming themselves. Help is on the way coming. Help is on the way coming. You people should warming yourself. We will fight this war. Everybody, this ship will sink at the same time. This is how I can cut my message. The world should intervene. Nigeria is about to kill all the Christians. The Muslim in the north is killing Christians in the north. Is extending their killing, expanding their killing in the south and in the east and in the west. We are calling the world. There is genocide going on in Nigeria. This government is a terrorist government. Lai Muhammad and his people, Buhari and his people, they are killers. They are killers. They are killers. The world should hear our voice. Not that we are afraid to fight. This is what happened in Biafran War. The rebel Ojukwu soldiers, Biafran soldiers as a rebel. They say them they are rebel. This is how they make. They say IPOB is a terrorist organization. The world couldn't understand what is happening. Now we are using this little media we have to call the world to come and stop this genocide, killing Christians in Nigeria. The Boko Haram and Miyetti Allah is killing people in Nigeria. Every day, thousands are going down. Every day, they are killing innocent women, innocent people in the farm, in the villages. This is what I can say. They are pushing us to war.